So this is how to transfer an investment account from EQ Bank to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, go to the very bottom and select the move icon or the icon with the arrows pointing in opposite directions. Once you're here, so if you're at the top, for example, just scroll down to where it says accounts and then press on transfer account to Wealthsimple, and then press get started. Once you're here, you can scroll down under most popular. If you don't see EQ Bank right here, press on search for institution, type in EQ. You'll see the logo. Go ahead and press it right there. So once you're here, you can sign into EQ Bank through the app for a faster experience, or you can go to the very bottom and press on enter information manually. I will do that for this example. Then once you're here, you can select the account that you want to transfer to Wealthsimple. So there's popular accounts right here. There's savings accounts, retirement, etc. I will just select the FHSA as an example and then press next. And then once you're on this page right here, you can then answer the following questions. And then once that is done, you can press on next. And then once you guys do all of that, you should be able to transfer it over successfully. So that is how to transfer an investment account over from EQ Bank to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.